How to recover your password on Gmail if forgotten. So if you want to recover your password on Gmail if you've forgotten, then you can go with your browser. So open up your browser, and under your browser you need to go for the search and search for accounts.google.com. And once you enter that, it will take you to the login page, right? But for now, I've already logged into my account. So if you want to recover your password, then while it takes you to the login page, you just need to go and tap on forgot password. And once you tap on forgot password, then you'll be given an options to recover your account. So you can either choose your phone number or your email, or you can choose another account or another mobile to recover your account. So if you choose the code, then the 2-digit or the 3-digit code will be sent to the mobile number in which your account has been logged in, and a notification will be sent to that mobile. And if the other person taps on yes, it's me, then you'll be able to log into your account, or then you'll be able to recover your password on your Gmail. And you will receive a number, so you just need to enter that number or match that number. You will have three options. You need to simply match that number. Once you've matched that number and tap on continue, then you'll be logged in. But before logging into your account, you will have an option of update password on the left side. So make sure to tap on update password and change your password if you want to change it. But if you don't want to change, then you can simply tap on continue and you can log into your account. So that's how you can recover your password on your Gmail if you've forgotten. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.